Welcome to 2022, the year of World War III. Alright folks, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. I know the videos have been kind of far apart lately. Damn, those lights are bright, man. I got more bad news. It seems like this channel's becoming the bearer of bad news all of a sudden. And everyone asks me, a lot of people ask me, what are you doing? Well, I'm still doing guitar work. But I'm going to show you, I want to make this video and tell you what's going on at the house that never sleeps. Why there's so few videos. If you're watching on the bigger channel, there's even fewer of them. If you want more videos, come over to the new channel. Links in the description. Click it, come over, sign on to that channel, subscribe to it. We'd greatly appreciate it. That's where all the new videos are going to start going up first. Now they'll eventually go up on the bigger channel too, last, because of the way YouTube's doing that channel. I'm lucky to get 500 views when I put a video up on the big channel. Lucky if it gets 500 views, man. Come on, out of 60,000 subscribers. Something wrong with that picture. Anyways, I'm going to get you and bring you over here, and I'll show you one of the things I've been working on my spare time, which I have very tiny little bit. There's cue ball made to sing. We're batching it. Me and her's batching it. We've been batching it for a couple of weeks. I'll tell you all about that and what's going on while we are bachelors and having to fix our own food and crap. And I'll show you a little secret some of y'all know about this. It's a project I've been working on and off for a year now, I guess. Just doing a little bit at a time. Come on over. I'll show it to you and tell you what's going on. Alright, well, welcome back, folks. Alright, let me run you through this story. Here's what I've been working on, man. For a year, I've been putting this thing together. There's what the front of it looks like. There's the front of it. And there's the back. These are all from parts that I had laying around. Dr. Charles Kelly, I think, sent me this. A whole bunch of these. I chose that one. Got it all wired up, got it together. I just work on it a little bit at a time for the last year. And I mean a little bit at a time, man. And this parts I had laying around. I want to make a Stratocaster body out of it. I mean, put it in a Stratocaster body. I'll show you that later on in this video. I've never hooked this up to electric at all. I got 2 ground wires on there because I had one on there and I needed another one for some reason. I don't remember why. You know, in fact, let's do that. Anyways, I was getting ready to test it out and put it in a guitar, and I got a whole bag full of output jacks for Stratocaster type jacks. Can't find them. To this day, I've not found them yet. So what happens? Tall Thin Kevs came to the rescue again. He sent me an output jack. I don't know if you can see it through the plastic or not. And he sent me a love letter. I may read that to you later. And he sent me a Galaxy bar. I don't think you can get these in the States. I don't think. Maybe I better hide his address. Might be a good idea. Hide all of our addresses. So, Tall Thin Kev, thank you so much, brother, for everything you've ever sent to this channel. And you know, and I know, and everyone knows, you have sent a lot. You've donated a lot to this channel and helped it to grow. And I am grateful, brother. Thank you so much. Now, I'm not going to solder this in tonight or anything, but I do think, I wasn't even going to do this, but I think I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. Let's do that. Hold on. I got to get some jumpers. And I think this is a cord right here. Yeah. We're already plugged into the amp. I'll show you that little amp. It's a nice little amp. It's a, I always forget what it is, a G-Deck, G-DEC. It's made by Fender, and it's got a bunch of presets in it, and they're very noisy. But anyways, I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, welcome back. I found these. They're just little jumpers. They'll work for what we need. A lot of you all know about my daughter, what's going on with her. She's been, tomorrow will make 4 weeks she's been hospitalized. Let's, yeah, it'll work. She's got a lung disease. They don't know what it is. She's in one of the biggest facilities in this state, in the country for that matter. And they never seen anything like this, they said. She's got blood clots throughout her body. Don't tell me that's not going to fit. I don't know why. Tomorrow, I think I said, tomorrow makes 1 month. 4 weeks to the day she's been hospitalized on a ventilator. Those ventilators alone are bad, man. They intubated her about a week ago. And they want to leave her on there for 14 days, but I don't know how that's going to go. She does not have COVID, thankfully. Doesn't have COVID, but it's bad, man. That's why me and Q-Ball's here by ourselves. My wife and son is staying at my daughter's house, taking care of the grandkids, making sure their bellies is full, and getting them off to school and all that. It's been rough, man, and it's still rough. All right, I got to find a setting on this amp. I'm not going to keep you here. I'm going to turn the camera off until I find it. And there's why. You hear that? I'll show you the amp while we're at it. Hold on. Alright, here's what the amp looks like. You see, it's got different settings right here. If I can get it in the camera, man. Of course, they're going to be noisier with that cord not plugged in. Okay, there's one good enough. Anyways, that's what the amp looks like. It's a little amp. You can see by the size of my hand, it's about what size it is. Alright, let's try that setting. Hold on. Alright, that amp is noisy, but I think we can deal with it for a few minutes. That setting should be this pickup only, the bridge. Not these. If I wired it right. That setting should be these two. And not this one. And it is. I think I wired it for all three of them. No, that's the middle one only. I started to wire it where that setting would have them all three. But that's just the middle one, okay? That should be the two front ones, the neck pickup, the middle one, and not this one. And it is. And that should be only the front one, not this one, not that one, but this one. So that's all good and right. That's volume, tone, and tone. This tone works, well, it depends on how you got the switch set. It all works though, I can see that. Hear that? That works on this one. And that one. If you switched all the way up, there went the switch. Let's see. Yeah. And this one don't work on that. And that's right. So that all works perfect, man. Now all I gotta do is wire up this jack. Tall thin Kev, thank you so much, man, for that. I'll get the guitar and show you which guitar I'm gonna put it in now. Hold on. This is the third video I've made today. I gotta make them when I can, you know what I mean? And today's the only day I can do it. Here's the guitar in question. It's filthy dirty because it's been in storage since 2018, I think. And to give you an idea what it's going to look like, I'm not going to route all those wires tonight, but you kind of get an idea what it's going to look like. In fact, let me back this off, and I'll show you even better picture of it. This neck joint fits really tight in there, but there it is. So to give you an idea what it's going to look like when I get it all together, it looks like it's going to, well, I checked the pick guard before I did anything to it to make sure it would sit there, and it does perfectly. The wires is the reason it's not now. I need to route the wires back through a channel back here. And of course, tall pin Kev is the man. This will go right there. So where you got screws in it. I'll have to change that. I want this side of it in here. And then it'll sit in there like so. Plug your cord in right there. Anyways, to give you a general idea what it looks like, that's it. I don't know if you can see the end of the neck. Yeah, you can. I know a lot of y'all know about this and was asking me about it. I know a lot of you didn't know about it. Sure, no screws in that. I don't see any. But it's got screws already in the guitar, so that's good. Somebody said I should put a water logo up here and put Fender, Stratocaster and all that. I'm not going to do that. I hate to admit I have done that before. But I'm not going to do it on this guitar because, you know, I got enough fake guitars around here right now without making another one. It's going to be really nice. It's going to like a nice Strat. One of you guys may very well end up with this thing when it gets finished. Lord knows when it's going to get finished because I don't have time right now to work on it. But anyways, for all those that knew about it and never saw it, there you go. The guy that donated this guitar in 2018, I think is when it was. I don't know what happened to him, man. He's just disappeared off of the face of the earth. I'd like to thank him for it. If he sees this video, you know who you are. Thank you, man, for all the guitars, everything you sent. He sent a lot of nice stuff, man. He sent that amp that we was just using. It's sitting on top of a Fender Twin amp he sent, and all new tubes for it. Or maybe he just bought the output tubes, and I can't remember, but it's got all new tubes in it. Anyways, you'll hear it with this guitar through it eventually, if you stay tuned to this channel. Maybe give you an idea what it's going to look like if I can hold it all together. Lord. If you can see that. Give you an idea what it's going to look like when it's finished. It's going to be a little ways down the road. Like I say, this guitar may end up belonging to one of you guys. I don't know what I'll do with it, man. Maybe put it in a contest or something. Or have a drawing or something, you know. The point is, if you're watching this video, you could own this guitar someday. If it ever gets done. If you're a prayer, I would appreciate prayers for my daughter. Like I say, she's intubated. Tomorrow will be 4 weeks. She's been in the hospital. She's got a lung disease. They don't even know what it is, man. Said they never seen anything like that before. Blood clots. They got all those dissolved except however many she has in her legs. They're still in her legs. And they think that some way is affecting her breathing. She can't get enough oxygen. Anyways, thank you guys for your prayers and for keeping it here through all this shit since September, man. 6 months this crap's been going on at the house that never sleeps. I'm done. I'd like to be done with this kind of life, you know what I mean? Spending half of it in the hospital or a nursing home or a funeral. It's bad. It's been screwed up since September. I meant to ask you guys, how do you like the thumbs down thing now? You know, when you click thumbs down on the video, you're the only one going to see it. The way YouTube's set up now. Well, the content provider can see it, but not just looking at it. You got to know where to look to go in and see if it's a thumbs down. Good old YouTube, man. And how do you like the try out YouTube free every day? I dismiss it. Man, it seems like 1,000 times a week. Sick of it popping up all the time, man. Anyways, that's about all I got for this video. I don't know when I'll see you again or when you'll see me again. Anyways, I'll see you on the next video. hopefully it'll be pretty soon. I hope it's not too far away, man. Because, wow, I hadn't had time to make videos at all lately. With all the, well, it's 6 months, man. Really, the last 6 months, I just haven't had time to do anything. I do work on guitars when I'm here, you know. But thank you guys for keeping it here. I do really mean that. And I want to say rest in peace to my friend Nightbird. And I'll just let that go at that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next video.